Hey guys, this is Michael at AudioFormz. Today we're going to show you how to do the audio update on your BRP Connect screen. So what you want to do is that you want to turn your machine on, go to your screen. You want to hook it up to Wi-Fi. Okay, so you want to go to the preferences. And then to Wi-Fi, we're connected to Wi-Fi here. Then you'll go down to general, the software update. So you need to be update to BRP Connect version 5.00. So you'll hit this, update available, your download update, and this is going to be updating. You're going to have an audio equalizer now. So you have an addition of treble, mid, and bass controls and audio menu preference applet, along with stability improvements for your GPS. So say update available. Depends on your Wi-Fi connection. It could take 5 minutes. It could take 20 minutes. So now it's starting to download. You see the little status bar right there. All right, guys. So after the download is complete, you'll go in here and you'll press install update. And it'll give you instructions: do not turn your vehicle off. And now it's going to shut down and reboot back up. Alright guys, so after it rebooted, it says that it's been verified, so you'll press confirm like normal. So then you can go back to the preferences, and you want to double check your audio configuration. So now it automatically default back to level 2 or 3. So on our roofs, if you have an AudioFormz roof, you're going to always want to select the level 4 plus subwoofer. So select that, turn the machine off, wait for it to boot down, and we have to boot it back up. Go back to preferences. You'll want to double check your audio config. So now it's going to have the audio output. You want to go down here and make sure that you got level 4 subwoofer. That's there. Now you have an equalizer. So now you have your treble, your mid bass, and then your bass. So if you have our top, you can fine tune it to whatever you're liking. You still have your fade and balance. And then your audio output, you still want to make sure that it's selected on speakers and not your headset. That's how you update. If you found this video useful, just give us a like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thanks.